Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Unlock Modi Jai phone and go to the home screen to start. Use the fingerprint, pin, or pattern to unlock quickly. Press and hold any empty area on the home screen for the options menu to appear. Alternatively, open Settings, then Display, then Wallpaper to access system choices. Tap Gallery or Photos to pick a custom image from your albums. Select a default wallpaper if you prefer pre-installed images, sized at 1080 x 1920 for best fit. Select your chosen image and enter the crop editor to adjust framing. Use 2 fingers to pinch or spread and drag the image until it fits the preview area. Make sure important faces or text remain inside the safe zone that you see. Tap Preview to view how it appears on the home screen and on the lock screen separately. Choose whether to apply to home, lock, or both by selecting the appropriate button on the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice to continue. Decide if you want a different lock screen wallpaper or the same image for both. If icons or widgets overlap important image areas, return to crop and reposition the photo for clarity. Use the toggle for motion or parallax effects off to keep the image static and sharp. If the wallpaper does not apply, restart the phone first to refresh system services and settings. As a final step, clear the launcher app cache in Settings, Apps, Storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.